enough. Before I start, we will braid this egg together. We scatter the egg. Before I show you something. Who never see, now they say, they feel they see the thing that they pass and they say, I beg. And they go walk home. Now he send me, says what they go on. Moreover, my lifestyle, advocate for children. I don't want me they hurt children. I don't want me anything they happen to children at all because I get passion for children. I'll be happy children since. You understand? I'll be advocate. See, now they see this big egg. Now they see. You know they see. Before we start, they come here and not best for me. What I want to do today, me I just bear and with me. This. Now they see. Okay, now they see bread. Now they see. They scatter. Now they see. Me I know me I just bear with me first. Me I scatter the hair. Me I see. Now this is a bread sack at the boss and put. I boss and finish. I'll go through here. As you are coming, please share me out. Sometimes we need to share good things, not only bad things. Sometimes they talk say moon SARS, moon police brutality. Now our parents are worse past police brutality. Now they see the egg. Like boss of me before I will start with you at the top. Which I want to know. See, I want boss all to finish. This is 20 pieces. Now 20. I speak for children. No. Me, I was like that. Now so they kept bullying me when I small. Beat me for necessary thing. They beat me because I threw away red oil. My mama said me I go bring red oil. Come. Now they see I don't bust all the. Now they see I don't bust all the egg for here. Before I want to start with tea, I want to talk. Me I don't mind me today because today I will say it's my worst day in this month. I don't know. I feel bad and be crisis. See tissue where they clean my nose. Now they see the egg. I'll go through where. Because maybe you don't understand what make mama do this. When my own happened to me when I saw, I also fight for me. But we don't grow up to know, say yes, enough is enough. I want to play something for now. Make una see what they go on. This will be police brutality. For egg, how many? How many they break the egg? Please sleep. As me they sleep now. Is it a concept so you don't buy a car? So you me so. I mean, who told me say me buy my two for that. The Lord say me who go be make go to the economy and take go for that. You go tell me say you go for that. That's how I will make it. Say what me to and I make am first. Now they hear now, Papa. Now they hear Papa. Because 4 eggs, see picky leg. Me not see picky egg, go 4 egg. Okay, see. Me not see Daniel. Ayo. Oh God, ayo. Now they hear her. Ayo, because of 4 egg. After we say we end police brutality, where I want to react to this video. Now many things make me want to react. I remember the time where they grow up. Because I tell me I go bring all here, come and they cook food. I tell where I here. They beat me, they carry block. They're not block when they build us. They carry put for my head. Throughout that they are not eat. But they see all these children, our parents, they beat them because of some things. I know some people go see the video, there was what they inside this video. For me, I fight for children. I've been doing it before. Sometimes, if I see some children, they will say they thief food, or they thief yam, or they carry gari. If I see them on Facebook like this, I will try to find the family. I would send them. I would say, I better not leave that picky. I would send them the money. But this one, no. This one is too much. Wait to make me cry. Come on today. This bikini justice. May not share this video. I will make sure some people know where they need to share. Come out. That pikin, if it too grow 6 years. If this pikin too grow 6 years, or maybe never even see rich. If now 6 years that pikin dey, you know even see grow well because you know they see food chop. When they see papa, if they phone say they do yahoo still, you put man put small necklace for neck. All these our parents, they don't know the value of children. And they talk. That makes some people run for where I dey. I dey work with social. If any mother you close to me because I get to true mother where I be want give to social. You can never close to me. I be molesting your children, and I will cover. I will pretend. No. They say in life, now what person see for life, now they move on for life. All these things where these people pass through, I don't pass through this thing before. Because of 4 egg, just 4 egg. They break the pikin heart, they break his leg, see man for all his body, just because of 4 egg. How many egg I bought for here just now? 20. I'll go to where? As they see that pikin so, they not go buy a Christmas cloth because of 4 egg. Why I cry come out, I don't want to come tell and say, maybe as I be cry, now make me want to come out. I fight for children for a long time. It's my work. It's what I love doing. Don't ever hurt children. You will close around me. No. I will here in France here. Don't worry, my certificate will still come out. La. It pay me a lot. This video, wait make me they make this video. I want me people share this video. And I want me people see make the video. People did this Facebook where they do. Where they thought say they be Facebook presenter. And I will mention some people name now. They need to help us share comments. I not be Facebook presenter. Now things are they say for Facebook. All the people where they say things for where they do presenter, I will mention some people know where I feel remember. They need to do video about this baby, this pikin, when they just beat nobody. Africa. Is it by force to now force to born? Wait, at the come. Now force to born, now no, now force to born. No baby only me na see. Now force to born, me na see. What is pikin do? People never even reach how many years? You never come for belly finish because of maybe 5 years or 6 years. You know, just born pikin and not get feeling of pikin at all. Now most say una must born. Now most. You know, just born pikin. They say even if you not pray for something, I don't know the value. Now some people say they do for Europe here. Oh, some people they do for this Europe self. Some people say they do, they want quick bone, They will bone first one never great, they bone the second one. When the first one will they clear, say shut up. I don't feel talk, nobody they close to me, they molest when I will give her to social. I mean, the 2 people now be done this to social. 2 people, they call me, they beg me, Mama Elliot, because I don't go green. I don't will ever agree for my life. Never. Our papa don't feel too beat us. Our mama don't feel too beat us. Again. Answers. This is not about answers now. This is our parents molesting our children. They don't feel let our pikin grow up. They don't feel let they do waiting. They will kill their dream before they are time. Look at this baby, look cute now. He be like Elliot. Me not see. Because of just 4 eggs. May God no. I don't want to call this ceremony. Now walk as they go. Maybe person will be posted to me. He posted for me, maybe me I laugh over it. I don't laugh over it because he pay me a lot. They say that person don't know value of something. Now you go see the tea, go throw where. When I get Elliot for, I go drop Elliot for school when I come for, when I go work. Elliot don't want to enter class. I need to pet her. I don't want to stop work today. Now I stay as I say, Elliot don't want to go school. Now people get picking. Now they get picking. They don't know the value. Most you born, they are sooner. Most you born for Africa. Most you born because All this one that they do now, they don't both try for Europe now. Only much you would talk to your pikin. If you not talk to where your social don't carry your pikin. Talking about say, you say you carry iron. You carry iron. Take burn your pikin because what he do. Where this thing they pay me? I don't throw away oil when they want to cook because that I not eat throughout that day. That day they beat me. They put blood where they build that almost like tree. They say me I lay down. I put up oil like this and they die, they go. Anybody when they pass go come. They will say, I believe this small. They'll say, no, he must die today. And God, he keep me alive and not die. I strong. And if I told her, say, now all those who want me, they sin. They make me there where I did. And they struggle. And the one let them know, say, no, keep my career. My career will never die. This speaking as a small son now. The pikin they do anyhow now. They do anyhow now. They do anyhow. When he grow up tomorrow, God can bless her. He can manage enter abroad. If you enter abroad, no enter abroad. Who go make her, go still make her. You understand? Tomorrow you will come manage. If you enter abroad, he not gonna call you as a father. He remember what you doing. That time you say, you offend me now. You need to call me. No, life is not like that. Our parents, they will remember what they do to our children. They remember small at all. They even remember say, we not do all this speaking. Any parents now, we will watch this video. We know you don't pay hurt your picking before. It was not 10 years ago, 20 years ago. Go and call that your picking, no. Make it forgive you. Because many they remember. And they swear for back. Many they remember. Maybe now know. Our parents and our mama, we their house, and our stepmother, and anybody around us. We know say, I don't pay all this picking for no reason. You better carry for give the call, they beg for forgiveness because they swear for una. They do a beg. Me na wake up for our parents. Nobody force me na go born. Nobody say, what make me do this video? I want me that picking. Me don't just leave the papa like that. Me just go like that. Me they treat this our parents. I not be Facebook presenter, but it gets on this where I will see. I will not remove my eye because I dey fight for children. I will not remove my eye. If I think get too more than for here, to almost social, who can be Nigeria where I will see for Facebook and I will fight for. I know Nigeria people not get megabyte or network to watch that way happen to you that picking. But people where I want shout for now, where I want make sure their name, may they do live video put me reach people who will reach their house. That picking need justice. Because don't you just be carry iron, bone picking hand, bone in leg, God just 4 egg. Who does that? Who thought through? I stay for 3 years, they find my picking, they do fasting and pray, I cry every day, God. God will never forgive you people. People see their outside there, they cry their life, they say, God bless me. One that come in one, he said, God, you even feel bless me with his bedside. He don't even care. The woman wait for 20 years. You don't see picking. Oh God. Where people are wicked. God bless you with one. You don't know the value. People they tell me say, Mama Elliot, bonjour Elliot, bonjour Elliot. I said, no, why me carry her? Not to born, not to train. I know how much I they pay for Elliot's school fees. Not to born or not to train. Those days they will say, biebun, alebu, balawa, balopo yoko. You know, see no fit take care of picking, they born. You will see some children from abroad here, they chop expired food because their papa and their mama they fail. They don't feel bad. If social don't give them, they don't give their children and they born every day and they happy food. So we'll give their mind say, if you say my pikin they suffer, he must grow. I know I do suffer a lot. To born my pikin, they tell my pikin, they say, if you see no seafood eat today, you must grow. No, everything have a reason. My mother never born for you today. It get reason. Or just if I want to born every 2 months, I will fit. I will fit. But let me take care of Elliot very well. Because this moment when they see so, I suffer a lot. Because of that, I tell myself, value of picky. I get that 100%. I know the value. Nobody need to tell me. Oh God, may not forgive me today. May I not worry. I get motion for children. It's so painful when I see some parents. They are so wicked. Some parents will arrest their pikin because of rice, and you will see they are alive. Open your dirty mouth. You will say what I do. I'm not going to do my pikin. No. You say, may God forgive you like that. Well, I don't want to make this video too long, but I dey sick already. Work where I come today, I know if you work, I will go back house. Enough for our parents. This won't be police brutality. Our parents' brutality and brutality their children. God. Why Africa people? They say they're European, and so some useless for you. Now, they only use the words, not saying that to born, they make you be father. Or to born, they make you be mother. You feel born, if you don't get that motherly love, my dear. People where I want to call Facebook presenter, when me know, I know say yes. If my mind you're too small, the people will big, where my mama will be on top, they will see hear their voice. I beg, I want to call na name. Me na fight for this small picking. I beg. If not be small thing, I know say they don't go release that. Before you adore the picker, I will train until you grow up. I'll be doing it. Now, many people they pay their school fees. I will see them for Facebook. That's how I will contact the parents. But this one, I want to make the mama, the papa, make them make sure they finish his life. Next time, when you see picker, when you come what they get, you will know the value. Me now look and gay. Maybe you now see what my mind or they talk. See picky, share resemble yourself. This pikin self no dey see food eat, talk to even talk. See, me na see.
Excuse me, what did the pikin do when you
See. Me na see. Because of just 4 egg of waiting. Egg where they bust from my house throw every day. Waiting be egg. Waiting be egg. Sit back. Sit back. Sit back. Now we see hands. This video I'm not meant to do it today. I know just but I can't bear it. This people need justice.
For how many eggs this body strong?
Me not here.
4 eggs.
4 egg. 4 egg. This wickedness now. You sleep. Why you don't sleep? Go. Useless boy. After now, see people from abroad. I was saying about abroad. See how they be. See eye like which eye. See your girl. See this boy. See how he fine. People want to kill destiny just like that. Break it. Just 4 egg. Now you carry iron.
Wait. See this leg.
Me not see leg. Now they see her. Because 4 egg, I bet my sister. Me not look now. Me not see leg. See this small picking, yo. Iron. Oh, God will punish this man. Now they hear her. I beg all the Facebook presenter. I beg see get special things when I will see present. When my mind will just feel like if I see you say now do I will get happiness. Person where I want to make sure in name. Now it be Monica Ambrose alias the leader. Alias aka Shine Your Shine. Monica Ambrose, I beg do video about this little baby. He need justice. I beg. I use God beg you. I beg Monica Ambrose do the video. I beg. I use God beg you. After that, Anu Ajose alias Goldy Fish. I beg. Una need to do video about this. I beg. I use God beg you now. After that one, Opaika. Mama Opaika, I beg. I use God beg you. Esa, oh yeah, Mama Opaika, I beg. Me na do video about this bikini justice. I beg. If you not see one me I see on the video, maybe you never see the video. Me na tell me, I beg. If you need sister, if you need I beg. Do video about this speaking. You need justice. Epa, Dimonfi. president, I beg, do video about this pikin. He need justice. Who again? Oh, who again? Oh, there many. A pa godfather, whether I know the godfather. I don't forget to name. All of them we dey B&B. Oh, mama B&B, I beg. This pikin need justice. I know they fight for our children before self. I beg, do video about this. If I see am, they happy. Jama's first lady, mama, I beg, do video about this baby. He need justice, I beg. Jama first lady, oh mama, stay less, oh mama. I call you, I beg, me I do video about this baby. He need justice. God will bless you now, do am. I beg. OJ, Papa OJ, I beg, do job. Me I make video about it. This pikin need justice. Una need to do me go viral. People will not remember their name. Mommy love. I beg, do video about this thing. I mean, I do video about this son, this baby. It's too, you know, I don't feel beer and gay. And me, I know say una voice loud past my voice. Because of that, now I call una name. Me I do this pikin need justice. I beg. He really need that. He need that. He need that. He need that. I beg. Una, he need that. Oh, who again? Where I can't know.
Excuse me.
I don't know show you now. Mama Iyore, Mama Iyore, I beg me na do video about this baby. He need justice. I beg Mama Iyore, salt and water. I beg, he need justice because our pastor who they see so now, they not gonna see this thing to be important thing. They will see and say, I beg you, naturally is a big person. The person beat your pikin, you will know how it be. Like me, I know they see me person call me train my pikin. They will say, no be only mama they take care of pikin now. Pikin now for everybody. My pikin, Elliot, not be for everybody. Now they take beat mama Elliot sote. I can't over guess sote. I can't say I'm gonna make her for life. And nobody they will say, now everybody get pikin. My own pikin when I born Elliot. Not everybody get her. Now me with my husband they take care of her. Now me with my husband they train her. Because if the third person come follow a trainer, they will do the rubbish things. All those things they first do us. And they see some mother. The mother where I want to give to police or social for here. Yes. If you know you are close to me, they do your pikin, you are not close to me. I will give it to social. And they work with social. Yes. They know me put. They also give me the certificate. If not be coronavirus way day, maybe they will give me the certificate for December here. Yeah. I work with them. I don't like it. I don't like it. Which is the pick your pikin for now? Your pikin say me quick go born. Now your pikin say me your pikin never grow for you born Jenna. No be saying you now you want born. You born your pikin, you take care of her. Because our papa, our mother time they born they say abiebu, alebu. You know that's what I mean. If they born plenty, you go eat plenty. That was those days. We are in 2020. Those are our mentality. We don't throw it back. If you know you can't take care of your children, my dear, don't ever give birth. If now what you get, you show your passion for that pikin. When you grow up, it can never depend on you. You know you will forget you. Everything you do, you dey proud. Not be to get 3 children, 4 children. You yeah, when they carry the 3 children. You know if you carry yourself waka. You know if you buy one thing for yourself. May you even look good. May you even present yourself as a woman be. You never even there. You dey born that big, they carry another one. And come on 50 euro, you not get. You not get. And they are best now when they born pian. No be first to born matter. Now you tell lay your bed. And you tell ready to take care of that pikin. Now it matter. No be they to born pikin will do 1 or 2 things. You don't give a compman. You don't do 1 or 2 things. You don't do 1 or 2 things. No. Musile. I remember some mother, though they tell us, say, for Africa, you don't be like them. We don't go farm. You don't be like them. They don't they conquer. Maybe your pikin they learn how to conquer now. Now you know, but don't let me catch you. If I catch you, now so sharp for your present. I want they hide down. The people where I hide down. I don't hide down. I tell you, they do this pikin. I don't like her. I mother will just carry expired food, koro. You know, say you expire. You dey give your pikin. The next way we want to talk, you say for Nigeria, whether we know whether our egg they get expire or whether our bread get expire. You forget it here in Nigeria, why here in Europe? I beg, this pikin, we break 4 egg, when papa born body, you need justice. Enough. Okay, bye. Share this video. Bye-bye.